Imagine a big, busy city. The sky is blue and the sun is warm. There are many people walking fast. Suddenly, you smell something very good. It is the smell of smoke, spices, and fresh bread. Your stomach is hungry. This is the heart of the city. This is street food. Every country has a special food and a special taste. In Mexico, people wait in a long line. They want spicy tacos with fresh lime. In Vietnam, the weather is cold and rainy. A hot bowl of pho soup is perfect for a day like this. In New York, the city is very fast. You can buy a big salty pretzel and eat while you walk. In India, the markets are very bright. They have many small and colorful snacks. Why do people love street food? It is very fast and it is very simple. You do not need to call a restaurant for a table. You do not need to wear fancy clothes like a suit or a tie. You just stand on the street with your friends. You watch the cook make your food. It is cheap, it is fresh, and it is always delicious. Some people say that food is like a language. We do not need many words to eat a good meal together. Sometimes we use a fork or a spoon. Sometimes we just use our hands. Street food brings many people to one place. It makes the world feel like one big happy family. What is the best street food in your city? Is it sweet or is it spicy? Tell me in the comments.